show you how to do iPhone 16 Pro Max replacing only the glass. We are going at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill, Ontario. We would like to show you how to replace only the glass in iPhone 16 Pro Max. First of all, we are trying to remove the frame, the internal frame inside. So that's why now we are putting some kind of chemical material to make it soften and remove the frame from the screen and inside. It's a little bit sticky and hard, but we are trying to do our best to remove it safely without cracking the main display. The main challenge in this kind of job is to keep the main screen as original. We don't need to crack it, we don't need to make any lines on the screen or cracks or any kind of scratches. So that's why we are using the right tools, and we are confident and we have the experience in removing this glass to make sure everything is working fine. You will see during this video how can we remove the glass, only the outer glass, and we'll put another glass and we'll keep the Apple original LCD or the display as original as an Apple. So in this kind of project you will not get the unknown parts or any message from your iPhone in the settings. Here in the bottom of the screen is a little bit hard to remove the frame because it's a little bit sticky, and the flux for the LCD here in the bottom. So we need to make sure we remove it safely because it's very sticky and it's very challenge. So anyone from any different store who would like to try this way, you have to be careful in this area. See, this is the golden one, is the main flux for the LCD, and the black spot on top of on top of the golden is the main glue. It's very sticky, it's very hard, so you have to use kind of material in order to soften this glue and make it easier to remove it. We do this one for all iPhones: iPhone 12 series, 13 series, 14 series, 15 and 16, Pro, Pro Max, Mini, as well as we do it for iPad Air all series, iPad Mini, iPad Pro all series. So now we are separating the glass from the LCD. We use this kind of wires in order to separate the glass and the LCD. If you have any question or any assistant, if you need any assistant, you can call us back at 416-587-7105. You can email us as well in info@maplelaptopservices.com. And we have like contact form in our website, maplelaptopservices.com. You can visit us in the website and send us any question. So we removed all the glues from the screen. There is no any glues left in the screen, and just now we are trying to make sure there is no any glues left. We try to make it as clean as much. So because we need to make sure no glues, no dust, nothing. So when we'll put the glass, it will have no any like anything since under the glass, under the new glass, between the glass and the LCD. See, we are removing any left glues from the LCD, from the display. See, we'll make it clean and shiny. Here at Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs, we serve Richmond Hill, Ontario, Maple, Vaughan, Woodbridge, Aurora, King City, Newmarket, Markham, Thornhill, and North York. So now we are testing the LCD to make sure there is no any like lines or any black spot or any damage in the LCD. So as you see now, see the touch working, and there is no any like lines on the screen, so that means the work is done perfectly. Now we are putting the new glass. After that, now we are going to put it inside the machine to attach the new glass to the, so this is our result after the machine. See, there is no any like bubbles, nothing. It's good. Anyone is welcome to bring his iPhone or iPad or Apple Watch to our store in Richmond Hill. So now we are putting back a new frame, the one we removed in the beginning. So now we connect our LCD, and we're putting like a glue to seal the new frame with the LCD. All this done with respecting the Face ID function. Face ID function is still working. There's no any problem with the Face ID. If it is working, it will be working after this repair. If the LCD is not working, this kind of repair will not fix the Face ID. So now our job is done. Everything is working. So now we just remove any